Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Facetv Muswobi.
Mo fẹ́ kí ènìyàn kan pàtàkì bí olùdarí iléeṣẹ́ Next Oil tó jẹ́ bàbá torí pé bàbá tó bí Olori Mariam Ajibola Anoko wọ́n ti jáde láyé ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ṣe bí bàbá fún. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Mo fẹ́ kí wọn bàbá dúdú yẹmí ẹ ṣe ìwé kó àgbà o ṣe Alex dúdú yẹmí ẹ ṣe púpọ̀ ẹ pẹ́ fún wa o ẹ máa wọlé o ẹ máa wọlé ikú àgbà. Lákòótọ́ bí mo yẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kí n má gbà púpọ̀ wá. I have a very beautiful family in our midst. They are part of us. They have been wonderful to me on this throne. The journey on this throne over the last 7 years. And the truth be told, they are the cement, a major cement. I have to say it to everybody in English. For my togetherness with Mariam Ajibola. They are the boss of Mariam. They own Next Oil. Dr. and Dr. Mrs. Obieje. I give them very well. Please, I want you to give them a resounding round of applause. She's a mother. I will start from her. She's a boss to Mariam and she's a friend. This woman that you are looking at, she has really rubbed off on us so positively well. I have to say it today to appreciate you. I delayed this program for me to say this because your positivity in terms of humility, in terms of respect for your husband, Mariam picked a lot from you. Please, all do me this favor. I want you to give her a standing ovation, please. Please let me clap for her very well. Please, do this for me, clap for her. She really, she doesn't know this, but this is the highlight of our today's togetherness. She did so well in molding her. She will say to her that look, your husband is your God on the surface of the heart. Anything he says, yes sir. Do not argue. Do not even filter. Don't even ask question. Just obey first. Later you can complain. Anything he says, whether it's right or wrong, you will live well. Let me tell you, my own marriage, my husband is my master. My husband is everything to me. I've experienced it before. When I had the opportunity to confer her with a doctorate degree, she didn't even talk about herself, she was talking about her husband. She doesn't know that over the last 5-6 years of our active relationship together, yes, we've known each other, we've known the family, but you actually cemented it. I saw the way you're molding her, and I just realized, okay, well, she has all the qualities of becoming a queen. Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Thank you so very much. And on this note, don't worry, she won't be too far away from you. I've already told your husband that you are the new father now. And I've told the family, you will continue to help me mold her and actually put her through. Thank you very much for everything. Dr. Obi Jackson, I want to thank you too for everything that you are doing. I told you that I'm marrying your daughter because you are the one putting her through in everything she's doing. And she has never fallen Thank you for everything. And my honorable able Mariam. God bless you. God bless you for your maturity.
Thank you very much.
For your patience. For your consistency. You've been very consistent in everything. Left to me, I would just probably think it's one of those women. But at least in life, when you close your eyes, you want all the blessed people to pass. The good people will even pass at the same time. But to the glory of God, I didn't close my eyes. Thank God for your life. Please clap for her. Thank you very much for your patience. You see, if you have more patience, the way your boss is always telling you, it's patient too. This institution is bigger than me, beyond me, beyond me. People in this palace, we are more than 800 people, close to 1,000 people. Some people have spent 60 years in this palace, 80 years in this palace. We have some people in this palace, they are over 100 years old. It's an institution that if I have my way, I try to challenge it. But actually, it blew to my face, thank God I'm still alive. And to the glory of God, it's an institution that is so rich in heritage, culture, and tradition. It's all about patience. I want to tell you, please, there is a strong virtue in patience. Be patient. God bless you, and God bless all of us. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe.
Face TV was Swoby.